Welcome back, everyone. Glad to see you here today. Today we are back on Holden Beach. Now we are at a different spot today. We are at the pier. So I thought I would do a little video of us at the pier. So, you know, getting in the, I can't get in the ocean. I was about to say, yeah, I'm gonna get in the ocean, but can't because of I don't have a GoPro. So come along with us today. Grab a chair, sit back, and enjoy. Now, unlike the other beach access we're on, this one's got a wheelchair access, or you know what I'm saying, a access out here for handicapped. But the ocean looks really good. It's not too choppy right now. The waves are pretty small. And this is our spot we came to today. We are sitting up here underneath the Holden Beach Pier.
Well, underneath it's louder.
The waves are really big out there. There was one of them that took my sunglasses, which was a cheap pair of sunglasses. You know, it looks like those things right there, those umbrellas, don't give off that too much shade right there. But somebody else has got one of those shades like that. We used to have one of the blue canopies down there, but those things don't hold up in the wind too good. So we got one of these. We got a Shibumi. It's starting to white cap a little bit. The tide is coming in. Now, I know this is a public beach, and I understand that. But my problem is, if you're going to be out here, fish on the east end. Don't fish right up here around the people. I was just watching some of the surf. Boy, some of these waves are huge. I mean, let's look at that. That thing is huge. I had some of them to go way over my head, and I lost my sunglasses.
The thing I don't like is that.
That's why you gotta be careful on the beach, though. I never understood why people puts their shoes right here for you on the beach. That don't make no sense to me. And this is the building back here at the pier. It used to be open. The pier's not open anymore. The town has it, the town in Holden Beach. Because really, I really wish that they would open it up. There used to be campsites. There still are. There's campsites right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 campsites for campers right here. There used to be, right there used to be apartments, but they burned down. This building used to be the restaurant of the pier, or at the pier. So they had a really good restaurant, little grill. They sold hamburgers, hot dogs, stuff like chicken sandwiches. It was really good. I enjoyed coming here and eating. But this is the pier from this angle. It's, you know, we enjoy sitting up under it because it saves us. It saves us from having to bring out a canopy or anything. So I had to watch my walk out. But we're sitting down there, you know, where the pink chairs are. But we enjoy sitting up under the pier. We got it, like I said, we got other canopies and everything. But why not use this? Look at the little blackbirds out here. I ain't seen too many seagulls today. This bird up there is saying, "Feed me, feed me." Feeding the seagulls.
Yeah,
What? I mean, there was none around just a few minutes ago, and all of a sudden they show up.
There's nobody on that. Yeah, I can see it right.
This little bird over here eating the trash. See, that's the thing about it, people. please throw your trash away so it won't hurt the animals. He's searching for food now. He's hungry. I just got another view of this bird. He's helping himself. They're helping themselves to their food. Look at him. He's looking. I want me some of them Cheetos or Cheez-Its. There he goes. I don't think, yeah, they got some in his mouth. Oh, that's funny. They done invited everybody over. They having a party over there now. This is good footage right here. I just can't get off of it. I can't. This is too funny. I think that's going to do it for this one. We're walking off the beach. We gotta hurry up and get back because our paid parking is about to expire. So we're heading back. You gotta pay to park here at Holden Beach now, which I don't agree with. But anyway, be safe. God bless. We'll catch you on the next one. And remember,